Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to share a new update about YouTube Shorts video latest update this month of October 2024. So YouTube now increasing short link video that can be uploaded on YouTube. So makikita mo dito yung bagong update na increasing short link, and then i-check lang natin yung kanyang details. So YouTube Shorts, increasing short link, starting on the October 15, 2024, creators can upload shorts up to 3 minutes and link. Shorts longer than 1 minute that have an active content ID claim will be blocked regardless of policy. Okay, so click mo lang dito yung other details and then sa kanyang eligibility naman, and then check lang natin. So dito sa eligibility for 3-minute shorts, so ito yung kailangan nating intindihin at basahin. So may dalawang details dito na kailangan nating i-consider yung bagong update. Okay, yung una, ito yung videos uploaded after October 15, 2024. So any videos uploaded on or after this date with a square or vertical aspect ratio up to 3 minutes and link will be categorized as shorts on YouTube. So, hindi naman sinabi dito kung 16:9 or yung 9:16 kasi nakalagay dito is square or vertical. So, that means kasali na siguro yung ginagawa natin kapag nag-upload tayo. Pag gusto natin ng maganda po yung link po niya like this rectangular or 16:9. Or sa kapag short naman tayo, ginagawa natin is 9:16. So, up to 3 minutes yung na-upload natin, ika-categorize na ni YouTube as shorts. Okay? So, these videos can be monetized in a shorts revenue sharing model from the shorts paid. So, yan po yung nakalagay dito mga kaibigan. So, mostly naman ngayon, mas nanonood tayo ng mga videos na maiksi na. Right? So, mas nakaka-earn tayo ng maraming views po doon. Pero ito na yung bagong update. Kapag nag-upload tayo ng within 3 minutes, either square or vertical, ay categorize po siya ng short. So kung gusto mo ito na maging long form, so up to 4 minutes or yung i-upload natin. And the other details naman, ito yung videos uploaded before October 15. So bago mag-October 15, any videos uploaded before this date will remain the same. So wala pong pagbabago mga kaibigan, yung mga videos natin na na-upload within 3 minutes, either square or vertical, same pa rin po siya before October 15 as long form video on YouTube. These videos can continue to be monetized in the long form revenue sharing mode on the watch page. Ayan. So kapag wala pang October 15, consider pa rin yung ating within 3 minutes or 2 minutes na videos, either square or vertical, ay long form revenue sharing mode po siya. Kapag after October 15 na, nag-upload tayo ng 3 minutes and link, as categorized na po siya as a short video. Okay, so other note naman dito na kailangan natin consider, upload 3-minute shorts. So currently, you cannot create 3-minute shorts via shorts camera and the YouTube mobile app. Alright, so you can upload shorts that are up to 3 minutes through the YouTube Studio on desktop or mobile apps. So, kailangan na natin itong i-edit gamit ang ating mobile phones or sa ating desktop mga kaibigan kapag mag-upload tayo ng 3 minutes. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung shorts camera dito sa YouTube mobile app. Alright, so yan po yung bagong update ngayon ng YouTube Shorts video. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.